The University of Minnesota international student was back in federal court today. He's fighting to stay in the country after ICE arrested him over a DWI conviction 2 years ago.
As we wait for a decision from the judge, we're learning more about what can lead to deportation or other immigration action. Brittany Ehrman spoke with an immigration attorney and is live on the U of M campus tonight. Brittany.
Lindsay and Kevin, the short answer is immigration law is complicated. Law experts say we're seeing some offenses that typically wouldn't end in immigration action, but now they're ending in deportation. This Minneapolis police squad car video shows the moment a University of Minnesota student was arrested for drunk driving in 2023. You can hear Dokhan Gundayan ask the officer if the arrest will impact his student visa.
I just want to make sure that, absolute way that, this does not impact my, legal presence in this country.
This incident is at the center of an immigration deportation case in Minnesota. In March of this year, the 28-year-old was detained by ICE and his student visa was revoked. Federal officials point to this DWI conviction for the reasoning.
Certainly, we have seen this administration expanding the use of all of the various statutes and rules and regulations under the immigration laws, many of which have not been used for decades.
Julia Decker is the policy director at the Immigrant Law Center of Minnesota. These court documents show what Gundayan signed in his petition to enter a guilty plea for drunk driving. In the 15th clause, it outlines if the defendant is not a U.S. citizen, their guilty plea may result in immigration consequences. When people look at this and they say, well, here's the clause and he signed it, should it be a done deal?
A very general advisal of this might have immigration consequences simply is often not enough for anybody to understand these ins and outs, these intricacies.
Decker says immigration law is complicated. She explained immigration-related action is decided on a case-by-case basis.
What seriousness of criminal conviction should actually lead to detention and deportation is, I think, the question that we are all asking.
And we're still waiting for a written decision to come down from the judge regarding that U of M student. Now, immigration officials and counsel, those are the only parties that will be notified of this decision. But of course, we'll keep an eye on those developments. Live in Minneapolis, Brittany Ehrman, 5 Eyewitness News.